Rain hits like 1,000 little nails out here. Trees soak it up, keep the rest of the world out. I keep walking, almost home. Lights ahead, my trailer, my ride. One more step and the road is... Nights like ink. Rain's beating the paint off the world and I'm still rolling. Tesla's warm, leather's cold, and the road's waiting. Forest swallows them.
All right. Stay put. Finally out of it.
Some nights the coffee's hotter than the thoughts in my head. Tomorrow's a blank page, but it has a way of writing itself. I just hope the ink's kind.
Yeah,
Stay quiet.
they're getting closer.
Moving! I'm right here.
Down!
Did we lose them?
For now, stay low.
I can still see the light.
It's moving away. Wait for the next thunder and we run.
Right.
Still out there.
How many?
3, maybe 4. One in a slicker.
Red, hard to miss.
The Tesla looks empty.
Not for long.
Keep that beam on the door.
Copy, moving.
We wait till they split.
Then we move.
Go, go, go. They're right behind us.
Keep low, we just need the car.
Come on, drive!
Hang on.
They're gaining!
Grip, you piece of...
Got it! Go, Rick, go!
They're still back there. I can see the lights. Just keep going. Road's turning to soup. Hold on. Bridge ahead.
Damn it, it's gone.
What?
Stop, Rick,
Oh my
hang
God.
on.
Inch to spare.
We can't go forward.
No, but at least we didn't go down.
What's your name? Who are those people? How did you end up pounding on my trailer door in the middle of the storm?
I've never seen them before. I don't know who they are, but I think I'm in serious trouble. Not far now. I just hope they have heat.
There, gas station. You can warm up in the restroom. I'll check inside.
Okay.
Hello?